Hello everybody, it's Diana from Saacibo. Hope you're all well. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have a little cute journal that I want to show you. It's a special order. I'm about to send it off, but I thought I'll just, do a quick video, flip through of it for my reference and perhaps for your inspiration. Who knows? I loved it so much. I'm gonna make more of them. It's so cute, you'll see. Alright, there it is, pink and green with a bit of blue, and I made my special closure. Again, this time I added silver colored charms. There's a key and a ribbon and a heart and a butterfly and a bit of organza lace and some beads and a cute fabric cover button. It's so cute. Okay, and the journal itself has this really beautiful fabric with this pink flower. I don't know what flower it is, but I love it. It's gorgeous, and the size is 4¼ inches by 8¼ and the spine is 1¼ It has 3 signature and a silver color metal plates and a name plate. Not metal plates, corner protector, sorry, and a name plate. So let's have a look what we have inside. Oh yeah, it is in this greenish gray color and dusty rose, and obviously the roses are the main attraction, and I just really like the pastel-y colors. It is a little bit different from the outside, but it's still beautiful in its own way. And I put a little sticker notes, like post-it notes. These can be, taken off and glued somewhere else. I had them and they were perfect match to this theme, so I put some there, and I made a little matchbox closure notepad just with some, I think this is like a sketchbook paper, quite thick, and has some tea staining, and I think it goes really nice in here. And let's begin. Again, this is a little hidden paper clip, and I added one of my butterflies. I think I was making them into specimen cards, and there is a video in my channel about how to do these butterflies, and I thought I'll make some into a little charms as well. And I put here imagine, create and inspire, and it can be just clicked anywhere in the journal, but I put it here for now, like that. And here we have some journaling cards. I have turned this, it is the same thing, it was printed on the same paper, but this one I actually used candle wax on this paper to get that effect a little bit, make it a little bit more see-through and thicker, and it smells beautiful because I used scented candles. So I thought that was really interesting. It smells like, I don't know, really nice. Okay, and we have some writing space. Here's some tea-stained ledger paper, more writing pages, some music pages, tea-stained paper, and in the middle we have this paper that I used wax on as well. It turned the paper into almost like tracing paper. It's just so much fun, and again, because I use scented candles, it smells really nice. And this is just a little writing spot. I thought color-wise, I love this page. This spread actually, the page. Alright, writing space, it's a music sheet, again. And over here I thought I put some cool wrapping paper that I had, and it had those colors, green and pink, and I just thought it was just really cute. And this is from an old gardening book, one of those pages with flowers. It had pink flowers and some ferns, all black and white, but I thought it was just appropriate to use it in here. Okay, we come to the end of the first signature. Created a little belly band with some cotton lace and a little cluster. This is just like a writing spot. It's actually one of my digital kits called Vintage Lace Collection, the green one. And this is from the, I think, Forest Whispers collection, one of the postcards. There. This is, I had a bit of a paper left over and I didn't know what to do with it, and it occurred to me I could make one of those corner bookmarks, and I just put a bit of lace and a flower and a bead, so it can be used as a corner bookmark sort of thing. And here I put a nice little serviette or a napkin. How gorgeous is it? Look, just bought some recently, and I thought I have a lot of them, so I might share some. And here again I used that wax on the actual doily, and it turned it into a translucent paper doily. You can tell, obviously, I went mad with this waxing paper. I just loved it so much. The effect was just amazing. Again, a little pocket, and I put some of the dried flowers that I laminated, and I use these to create specimen cards, but I thought I'd put some just the way they are, like this. And this can be written on here, but also it serves as a closure to this pocket. And over here we have some writing space, of course, and here is a little coloring spread of flowers in the shape of heart. And I had this for a while ago, and I just never had the time to color it in, and then I tea stained it, and I thought it looks really nice as a middle spread. And here's another post-it sticker in the shape of a heart. More writing space, and again the other side of that pocket. And this one I included some of my herbal cards. I also have a digital kit with herbal cards. I just cut these two a little bit different. I just used a die cut on them. I still think they look really nice. Continuing your writing space. This is a tea stained paper. This is a nice sketchbook paper. A music sheet, and the other side, and another little napkin or serviette with lavender. I love lavender. There's a little cluster in here. Okay. I just love these papers so much. They're really gorgeous. Actually, a few years ago, actually a year ago, there was no scrapbooking paper where I live to buy, and I was just struggling to get nice paper, so I started making digital kits. But now I can buy some and I love it. It's so convenient. Now here I made a little belly band with a cluster and a nice lace in a matching color, and I put a bookmark that I created a while ago, and it's shine here, and I think it goes really nice in here. Okay, more of those like index cards that I waxed. Here another picture, certificate, and a little cluster with a tuck. And we have here more writing space, this stained ledger paper. I think every signature has the same amount of white and lined papers, and you know, they constructed in a similar way. I usually make the middle one a little bit different to the first and the third, but more or less the same. Like in this one we have this greenish gray paper and that book page, and over here we have the pink one, so that's the difference between them, but the rest is pretty much the same. Writing space. It's a cute tag. And another index card. I printed this one on those sketchbook papers, thicker ones that come in those larger blocks. And they have a nice texture, almost like watercolor paper. I love it. And here I printed these dragonflies onto a book page. It was, you know, one of those book pages that were actually blank, so I just folded it in, and the writing is inside and glued it all in. But I just like it how it looks as if these dragonflies were there from the start, but they were not. It's fun printing on old book pages. And we come to the end. So, oops, this fell off. Where was it? Maybe there. Maybe there. Yeah. So this is my new journal that I wanted to show you before I send it away to this lovely lady who supported me throughout my journal making journey, so to speak, and I really appreciate her support and help, and I hope she enjoys this journal because it's really special. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little video presentation. I hope you found value and inspiration. It might give you some ideas on what to do in your projects. And thanks so much for watching and joining me today. I hope I see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.